Oh, you're in Loch Lomond, beautiful day. A little bit windy, but not too bad. We are ready to set up to the island of, I need a reminder here, Tukinch, the island of Tukinch. And we promised to come there and have fun there today. I'm very looking forward. As you can see in this photo that taken from the top of Loch Lomond, we started our trip from just up north near Balmaha, just from the corner. We didn't go a straight line, we tried to avoid the high winds and going parallel to the waves. So we came a little bit farther north, and then from there we went all the way to this island over here. We first stopped on the first island, which is very, very small. I think it had like 2 trees on it, and then we did the last bit to camp on the middle of the loch, just on this little island here. We came to the very, very small island. It's a very tiny little island. It's about 20 meters or 20 meters. So we're gonna go to the one in front of us, the one we originally going, but we came here for a rest. We've got Loch Lomond and Balmaha. We're gonna go for a walk there. Lots of places to camp. There are lots of places. We're not the first one camping. set the camp, we got the fire going, we got beer in the fridge. The plan for tomorrow is wake up very early. It was very choppy water, very choppy, and very windy, and we got a weather window to go before 9 o'clock. If we go before 9 o'clock, we can do it. If we go after that, it's going to be too windy to be able to go. So we're going to have to wake up very early tomorrow and make it. Beautiful sunrise. The plan for today, it is not going straight ahead because that will be a Wednesday wind and it can be quite bad. We wake up very early just to have the weather window, because otherwise the wind is going to pick up very soon. So we want to get the most on these conditions when the wind is not too bad. We'll go, rather than going straight that way, we're gonna go along the island, so we're a bit more certain, and worst case we can always pull into the islands and avoid the worst of the wind. It should be a good day. I want to get the most done, as I said at the beginning, and yeah, enjoy the sunrise because it's gonna be beautiful. We're gonna go into the sunrise, so looking forward to it. We decided to come across and go the shortest way. We made it to the shore, which is, I'm very happy to it. Now we are gonna go along the shore and get to the car.